Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be making a body scrub batch. I am going to store away to be making my body scrub that customer purchase. I am making 100 grams batch of this scrub. So let's start off with our wet ingredients. So shea butter, we need 80 grams. Emulsifying wax, we need 80 grams. Citric acid, we need 20 grams. So for our sweet almond oil, we need 275 grams, but I'm going to add 100 grams to start with to melt all this together. And then I'm going to come back and add the other 175 just to use to cool down all the melting ingredients to speed up the freezing process. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt all of this together, come back, add the other 175 grams to this, and then we're going to place this in the freezer. So all the ingredients have melted. We're just going to mix this together so that it will be combined. There's still some pellets of the emulsifying wax. So we're going to mix all of that in, and then of course we're going to go in and add the rest of our oil, which is 175 grams. You don't have to do it this way. I just prefer it this way just to speed up the process of my base cooling down. So 175, and that will make a total of 275. So we're gonna mix this oil in until it's nicely combined, and then we're going to cover this up and place this in the freezer. It's super hot in London, so leaving this in the fridge will take forever, so it needs to definitely go into the freezer. And also with the help of citric acid, it should also speed up the process of freezing. Let's check the temperature. Because the temperature is quite high, we're not going to add our cool down phase ingredients. We're going to do this once we've brought it back from the freezer. It's currently sitting at 54 degrees. So our body scrub base have solidified. So we are going to whisk this together, add the rest of our cool down phase ingredients, which is our vitamin E. I am not going to be adding a fragrance to this because this base is just a base. When the customer purchases a body scrub, I will add a fragrance that they have purchased by dividing the amount that I need. We're going to just whisk this now real quick and then add our vitamin E and then our sugar. it doesn't actually take that long. We need 5 grams of our vitamin E, so we're just going to add that now. And of course our preservative. Let's not forget our preservative. I almost forgot that. So let's add a preservative. We are using preservative eco and we need 10 grams. If you are making a body scrub that's going to come in contact with water, you definitely need to add a preservative. Vitamin E is not enough. The vitamin E helps preserve your oils and butters, but not when this comes in contact with water. That's our vitamin E and a preservative added. And you don't have to mix this for long. You just want to mix it until all your ingredients is nicely incorporated. And once that is done, we're going to bring our scale back and measure out our sugar. So let me scrape this together, make sure everything is nice and combined, and let's measure out our sugar. For our sugar, we need 520 grams. So I'm just going to pour this directly into the base. So 520. That's 52%. Ooh, okay, that's fine. 520, we're almost there. Perfect. That's 520 exact. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this in. Just take your time, you don't need to rush. It's super hot in London at the moment, so I am just making a few recipes for me to edit later. We're going to step away from our flat because it's absolutely roasting on the top floor of our flat. So I'm going to mix all this together, and this is not going to be the final consistency of our scrub. It is going to get a little bit harder than what you see right now in 24 hours. So it costs I have purchased my turmeric and kojic acid body scrub. So what I'm going to do is in about 24 hours, which is tomorrow, I'm going to come mix this together once more and then divide the weight that they've bought from this base, add my turmeric, as my turmeric fragrance, lemon fragrance, I think it's grapefruit as well. Add all of those, add the kojic acid, and then butter that up, and then the base remains fragranceless until someone has purchased another body scrub with a different scent. So turmeric is one of my popular scents, so I do get that quite a lot. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna cover this up and let it sit for 24 hours. I will come back, mix, and I'll show you how I make a smaller batch from this. Awesome. Okay, so I will see you in 24 hours. Okay, so here's our scrub base that I have that have been sitting for 24 hours. The consistency is still fairly the same, simply because it's been so hot in the UK, so everything is pretty much melting. So what I'm going to do is the temperature goes down this evening. What I'm going to do is show you guys what this looks like tomorrow, because the temperature is going to drop from 30 to 25, I think, and that should show us a true consistency for this scrub. I was actually going to make the sugar scrub that the customer purchased. It's actually not worth it. I'm not going to post until tomorrow anyway, so I might as well just do everything together tomorrow. Since I had already brought out and sanitized the bottle along with the label, I'm going to do that now. That's the sugar scrub, and then because I've run out of the labels for the one with kojic acid, what I have been doing is just using the one without kojic acid, and then I add this label to it because the kojic acid label finishes way before the normal scrub. So that's how the customer is going to receive it, with the scrub inside. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. This process is taking longer than expected because of the crazy long hot weather in the UK. I'm not complaining though because I love the sun. So this is our base of scrub. I'm going to set this to the side, bring in our scale, and I will be making a turmeric and kojic acid sugar scrub to fit into this jar. So I need to measure out my sugar from the base. So to fill up my 120 jar, I need 125 grams of this base. Okay, 125. Perfect. Okay, so to this I'm going to add the kojic acid, and then all the fragrance needed, 0.5 grams. And of course the main ingredients, 0.5 grams. Now we're going to set everything to the side and mix in all the ingredients. And you don't actually need that much of the turmeric to make this pop. And occasionally I will add turmeric powder, but the turmeric essential oil is already infused also with turmeric powder, so it just really depends. So this is all done. Make sure that the kojic acid is mixed in nicely. Then we're going to place into our jar. This should be somewhat a little harder, but because of how hot it is in London, nothing is remaining in shape of what it's supposed to be. This is what we're working with. So I'm going to cover that. And here we go, our turmeric and kojic acid is done. So what I'm going to do with the base, I'm going to put this into an airtight container, a sanitized airtight container, until my next purchase comes through. That's that video.